For years and years, I wondered if there was an effective form of bodywork that did not cause more pain in order to relieve the pain I was already in. I wondered if there was a therapy that could stimulate healing by helping me repattern and re-educate my system in order to create my own healing from within. I also wondered if there was a therapy that allowed me to not be dependent on the practitioner or the modality in order to come back into balance. I'm so grateful to have found Ortho-Bionomy. It's a gentle and non-invasive bodywork therapy that the practitioner works with the client sitting, standing, or lying down. The practitioner gently guides various body parts into comfortable positions in order to stimulate a self-corrective reflex in the body. And this reflex is what brings our body back into balance. This reflex facilitates deeper communication in the body throughout our many systems, and this is the key to health and vitality.